Hello everyone, it's Merlin. Welcome to my new studio space, a calm corner for creative fashion and elegant style reviews. Today's theme is modern vintage office chic, featuring one of my favorite luxury hosiery brand, Cervin of Paris. The warm orange glow of the oak table, a fresh cup of coffee, and quiet afternoon light through the large window set the perfect tone. I'm starting the pastel satin blouse with tailored leather skirt and classic black Louboutin heel, a timeless look that blends sophistication with confidence. Before we begin to detail review, let's take a moment to enjoy the peace rhythm of the new studio atmosphere. Now, let's open the Cervin Tentation Denier fully fashion stocking in the tanned shade. This piece represents classic French craftsmanship. Every detail is designed for elegance and precision. The package feels very luxury and simple, showcasing the heritage of Cervin hosiery making. Inside the fine nylon fabric has beautifully smooth texture with a subtle sheen that catches the light softly. This particular design called pyramidal, a reference to the structure by seam that give the stocking its signature and tailored finish. When you're styling vintage style hosiery, patience and care are essential. The fine weave deserves a delicate touch. Align the decorative seam is part of the tradition. It creates a balanced and graceful line, characteristic of fully fashioned craftsmanship. This is a moment that always feels calm and intentional, almost like a lecture of vintage elegance reborn for today's fashion world. I am pairing this look with 6-clip garter belt inspired by mid-century tailoring. It complements delicate fabric, beautifully providing gentle support without tension. The design choice is practical yet aesthetic. 4-clip belts are common for everyday wear, but the 6-point star is ideal when aimed for the traditional style. This small detail that makes vintage fashion feel special. The connection between form, function, and elegance. Here's complete look for today. The Cervin Tentation Stocking in soft tan tone, perfectly harmonized with pastel pink satin blouse and classic black leather skirt. The sheer texture of hosiery adds a subtle contrast to matte finish of the fabric, creating an effortless balance of texture. This color palette, soft pink, tan, and black, work wonderfully for professional or elegant setting alike. It's feminine without being loud, refined yet modern, the kind of outfit that speaks quietly but confidently. This is one of my favorite corners of the studio, the large glass window that fills the room with gentle daylight. I often take a few moments here with a cup of coffee or good books, and atmosphere becomes so peaceful. The Cervin Tentation fabric maintains its beautiful form. No matter how long you've been wearing, it feels lightweight, elegant, and completely natural to move in. With the warm indoor light meeting the cloudy outdoor sky, the tone of stocking appears even softer, a subtle golden beige that complements all pastel shades perfectly. Afternoon in the studio are my favorite time. The light feels soft, the room is quiet, and everything slows down a little. It's a nice moment to check email, plan the new idea, or just enjoy some calm work time. I like to keep the space cozy, a gentle table light, few flowers, and soft music in the background. The outfit today feels easy and relaxed, perfect for long hours at the desk. It's simple but polished, just the way I like it. For me, it's about staying relaxed, getting things done, and keep a touch of simple elegance. I think that's the most of my work finished for today. I hope you enjoy this quiet studio moment with me. It's always nice to share a little of my daily routine. And let's take a short break and enjoy a peaceful coffee time before we wrap up the day. After a long work session, it's nice to take a short break and unwind a little. The Cervin stocking remains smooth and comfortable. With fabric that adapts easily to natural movement, this tan color is especially versatile. It works beautifully in both daylight and warm indoor lighting. The texture remains even elegant, showing the precision of the weaving technique. This calm moment in the studio really shows why quality material make a difference. They look refined but feel effortless. As the evening set in, I like to end the day with warm coffee by my oak table, surrounded by soft light and the quiet charm of this space. The Cervin Tentation Denier Stockings have truly impressed me. Their craftsmanship, texture, and classic design make them a beautiful addition to any elegant wardrobe. They reflect not just the fashion, but the artistry of timeless style, subtle, refined, and full of character. Thank you so much for joining me today's studio review. If you enjoy elegant outfit inspiration and vintage style fashion, don't forget to subscribe and join me again for more refined style moments.